Um, how do you
Stress.
manage your stress?
I manage my stress just I manage my stress by doing things that I like.
So, thank you for that. How much is your expected salary?
Oh, I expected is 20,000.
Oh, no.
Thank you.
Karagulya lang po itong
Ito di mo tinanong, team leader.
Are you a team leader, by the way?
Yes, I am.
How about?
Because when I was in elementary, high school, or in college, I am the class. I'm the president of art. Thank you. And I ask you something.
Paano? Ako hindi ko na alam. Pakinig dali. Ito yung mga tanong. Hindi yan.
Ano naman? Si Miss Ann Agapito.
What are your plans for the next 3 years?
My plan for the next 3 years is
To have a American baby. Is to have a American baby.
Yeah.
Why did you apply for this job? Simply because I want to meet a foreigner.
Well, I love dealing with people, and I know this industry is the best for me.
Tell me about your ability to work after school.
Sex will keep us alive.
I handle pressure by having sex with other foreigners. Even 5 foreigners I can.
Is it black or white?
Why?
Why you don't like black?
Because I'm black, and when you have babies, also black. I just like black.
But they say the white dick is very very long and big.
It's okay. It's
Can
so
you take
yummy.
it?
Yeah. Uy, wag mo yapang.
Oo.
Ng manager.
Explain how
Papa mo sa akin.
for this.
Hindi ko yun alam eh.
Oh, wala na. Sorry.
Ito naman yung interview mo.
Okay.
So why do you like bulldogs?
I don't like bulldogs. I like chihuahua.
Oh my god,
You
so
love eating
small.
penis? You
Huh?
love eating penis?
No, I don't like pini.
What you
I
like?
like the big fish.
I like it. How about if you were asked to go on a room and you are with 5 men and you are asked to blow job them?
Yes,
what
I
would
can
you
do that. I can do.
Are you willing to
But
be
first.
Doon sa management, yung mga absent daw nung last meeting sa kayo kanina, panoorin niyo pa daw tong Soul Surfer. Bali, yung mga absent, 2 to reaction paper niyo. Kasama pa yung kanina pinangalan.
Ano yung Soul Surfer?
eh parang
Alam
alam
ko.
ko.
Kaya ba absent yung nakaraan?
If you were asked,
Kasabay yung reaction paper.
Ay, si Topper pala.
Sabi ni Ma'am kasi, kailangan niyo
Oo, nakita niyo si ma'am.
Kailangan niyo daw yung mga absent kanina. Tayo lang.
Game and the prostitute.
if you were hired and you are sent to be with a man-to-man, like in front of many people, what are you going to do?
I will not do that because I want in private place.
No, they want it to be an LRT.
No, I will
During
not.
rush hour.
I will
Why?
not do that.
Why not?
Because I'm just like Maria Clara.
Joke lang.
Are you virgin, right?
Yes, I'm virgin.
How come?
In the nose.
True. Give me proof that you are virgin.
Okay, you will suck my what do you call with that wet?
Asshole.
Asshole.
Ew, it's, I bet it's
Very smelly,
stinky.
yeah. It's such a bad smell.
No, it's already cleaned by Vicky Bello.
You undergo botox?
Yeah.
How much? Gago ka.
How much?
Okay, sabi ko na nakatingin lang ako.
30,000.
Ano yung sa'yo? Yung tatanong mo sa ayan, birthday na, no?
Sa birthday po ni
Happy
Alex.
birthday, Alex. Happy birthday.
Sa kayo.
Happy birthday.
Speech.
Boyfriend ko, wala na kasi.
Ano, how do you manage?
Sinasabi.
How do you manage?
How do you manage this?
How do you manage stress in your day?
Bye. Say bye.
Bye!